This is Carla Black, and this is her ongoing fruit market exhibition.
She used plaster powder and paint powder to create a baby pink hue on the floor, which is then reflected onto the walls due to the roof lights. When the interpreter views the room from a different angle, where the roof lights are not as visible, the apparent colors of the walls change drastically.
Under Carla's influence, we explored reflected color in our own card model. With 2 different openings, we recorded the effect of light from different angles on reflected color, simulating changing daylight in the space.
We took this exploration further by observing the effect of filtering light wavelengths on reflected light. This study helped us realize how the natural rhythms of daylight can actually have a big impact on a space, both enlivening and transforming it.
Stemming from our Carla Black explorations using a roof light and clear story, we continued experimenting with different openings in a card model. We were surprised by how much the openings signaled the nature of the space to us, the interpreters. The single square roof light created a sense of a more intimate space. In contrast, the narrow strip roof light constructed a more stimulating interior, which felt more suitable for transient and busy spaces such as circulation. In our studies, we were drawn to color psychology, which is the emotion color and light stimulates in the perceiver. Studies find that most responses to color vary depending on age, gender, culture, and preference, a locus of interpretation or horizon.
We decided to test color to word association for ourselves, as one of us comes from a Middle Eastern background and one from an Eastern European background. We found our results were very varied but with some similarities. Yet, in our previous studies, we both felt certain ambiances were better suited for the same type of spaces.
So we decided to piece all of our explorations into one key study on spatial ambience and how it is contingent on individual experience. Then we asked random people to tell us what type of room they personally think this ambience would suit. Here's what happened. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you a few pictures.
Okay.
So these pictures have a general ambience to them, and you have to see what your instinct says in terms of what type of room they would be for.
So I'll send you the first one now.
Bedroom.
Waiting room. Office.
Storage space.
Public space.
Bedroom.
Bathroom.
Like a hallway in like an office building.
An office.
Home office.
Bedroom.
An opera.
Bedroom or a nightclub.
Bathroom.
Fashion runway.
Corridor.
Warehouse.
Showroom.
Prison cell.
Prison cell.
Bedroom.
Hospital in a horror movie.
Corridor of a club.
Party room.
Bar.
Torture room.
Definitely nightclub.
Nightclub.
Color and light can be used to manipulate the mood of a space. Understanding the interpreter plays a key part in successfully achieving this.